New build ship. Engine room tour.
Engine room. The engine room is the compartment where the machinery for marine propulsion is located. Engine control room. Engine control room, ECR, on board a vessel, is part of the engine department, where monitoring and operation of numerous systems takes place. Main engine. A ship engine, also known as a marine engine, is the main power source that drives a ship through water. Spare parts room. Spare parts room is a compartment where spare parts used for the repair or replacement of failed or worn parts were stored. Incinerator. An incinerator is a furnace for burning waste oils and domestic garbage. Not all kinds of garbage are allowed to be incinerated. Steering gear is the machinery used on board to control the movement of the ship from port side left side to the starboard right side. Emergency fire pump. Fire pumps are a vital equipment on board a ship which will assume an essential role in the event of fire. Main air compressors. Main air compressor. It is used to supply highly pressurized air to start main and secondary engines. Air compressor has an air storage bottle which stores the pressurized air. Engine department, workshop. Some tasks are carried out on board ships in workshops, spaces with sufficient light, easily accessible, and equipped with tools and machines. Purifiers area. The purifiers are usually found in the engine room. There are typically two types. One type is the fuel oil purifiers. These remove contaminants including water from the fuel oil. The other type is the lube oil purifier. Freshwater generator. Freshwater generator is a device which is used to convert seawater to freshwater on ship. Fine mesh screen filter. It is the most commonly used filter in lube and fuel oil systems on board. Ballast water management system. Fuel oil supply system. This system supplies the fuel from the service tank to the diesel engine. The system consists of a supply flow meter, supply pumps, circulating pumps, preheaters, the final filter, a viscosity controller, a FO venting box. Diesel generators. A diesel generator is made up of a diesel engine and an alternator to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. Sewage treatment plant. Sewage treatment plant ISIS to treat the sewage and make it less harmful for the sea. Heat exchangers. The exchange of heat or heat transfer is achieved by making use of coolers or heat exchangers where the working fluid or liquid is cooled by seawater. Jacket cooling, freshwater preheater. Main engine, turbocharger. The turbocharger is an integral part of the ship's marine engine, as it releases the exhaust gases in order to increase the overall efficiency of the engine. Main engine, local operating panel. In case main operation fails from bridge ECR, engine still be controlled from ESC, which consist of LOP. Main engine, scavenge ports. Scavenge air receiver. Main engine, crankcase doors. Engine room, pump motors. Turning gear. propeller shaft. Intermediate shaft. Shaft earthing device. Crankcase relief valves. The valve was designed to open and relieve pressure if there was crankcase explosion and to prevent flames from escaping the crankcase. Auxiliary blower. Variable frequency drive motors, 4EGCS. Axial vibration monitor for main engine. Oily water separator. Fuel oil tanks and lube oil tanks. Freshwater hydropower tank. Hydropower system is an equipment used to maintain the water pressure provided to the multiple areas of the vessel at distinct heights in order to keep the continuous water pressure in all lines and on all vessel floors. Auxiliary boiler. Auxiliary boiler is provided on ships for supplying steam for heating, fuel oil, lube oil, cargo, freshwater, etc. Refrigeration system. The refrigeration plants on merchant vessels play a vital part in carrying refrigerated cargo and provisions for the crew on board. Air conditioning system. Freshwater calorifier. Calorifier is to provide hot water to the galley and cabins for hot water shower, especially if the ship is in winter places. Emergency generator. Emergency generator on ship provides power in case the main generators of the ship fails and creates a dead or blackout condition. Exhaust manifolds.
Thank you for watching.